Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. So Leo, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Leo, oh, King of Cups in reverse, center of my spread, Leo. Somebody is feeling a bit unloved, it seems, very confused. Okay. And okay, so Leo, bottom of my deck I have the Three of Pentacles. Somebody really does want to work things out with their partner now. There's still a lot of passion, wanting this beautiful partnership of equal give and take, but there's a lot of stress now. Sleepless nights, tension, because they feel that person is no longer fighting for them, and that's becoming rather confusing as to maybe how to come back now. They feel that they've created a tower moment in this connection. Maybe it's disrupted now, but they do want to transform this connection if possible. They're fearing that it's already over. So before I clarify these cards, Leo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of the reading. So Leo and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. Okay. Take a few more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Okay. We'll take a couple more from here, Leo. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Alright Leo, let's start your reading. The first card I have says here, I eventually had to let go of you in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. My emotional, mental and physical well-being became affected negatively. I'm still fighting my own inner demons where I felt that maybe I wasn't good enough for you, or the guilt of wondering if I walked away too soon. It pisses me off how your karmic has photos of you all over social media, trying to make out that you guys are happy. You and I both know this is complete bullshit. You talk with me about our future and building our life together. However, when your intentions don't align with your actions, I feel like I can't trust you. To rebuild a solid, stable foundation, integrity and consistency are essential for me to feel safe in this connection. I knew from the first time that I saw you that I would love you forever. Your smile made me fall in love with you, and I knew then that I wanted to wake up to see your smile every morning. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love I have for you. I want to welcome you into my family. You are half of my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. I enjoy your company, but I don't want a commitment. Alright, so Leo, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. We're going to start with, as always, with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Faith. Somebody needs to have the faith that this connection can still happen. I think somewhere they're afraid that it's already over, too much of damage has been done. Meanwhile, hoping, I think, for a transformation, but you need to have faith for that. That's what my angels are saying. So let's start clarifying these cards and see what's happening. So Ace of Wands, Spirit. What's this Ace of Wands and the Six of Pentacles? Ace of Wands and the Six of Pentacles. Okay. I think somebody does see the potential of a happily ever after with their person, but they don't have any hope yet. I mean, now, they've geared up, they're passionate, they want this desperately. They can see a future with their person, but somewhere I think that faith is not there, Leo. That faith is not there that this equal give and take can happen now. So what they are doing is just spying and keeping a watch, maybe social media or whatever, and just stressing out about the fact that I don't know whether this can happen again or not. I still have passion, I still have this dream for the future, but I'm not sure whether I can make it happen. Let me check and see where they are, what they're doing. Can I kind of do this again? Maybe the stress is also about some ending which happened, which they feel I won't be given a second chance now. Maybe somebody behaved a little sneaky, or they shirked their responsibilities, or didn't show up in the right manner, could have lied, I don't know, but came across very, abrasive or very in and out and rude, and I'm here today, I'm gone tomorrow, not like a very settled energy. And now they are seeing themselves as to what happened in the past, and they are a little worried that they will not get a second chance here now, Leo. Whoever this person is who's still keeping a watch, now they want it, but they're stressed out about maybe what happened in the past. Okay, so Seven of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Wands in reverse. They feel their person has already given up, not fighting for this connection. They feel there are secrets now, or things which are not unknown now. They want to have clarity, they want to have communication, they want to figure out the truth. What is my person hiding? Why are they holding back? They want to try one more time, but right now not feeling very confident. They're not feeling confident at all. They don't know whether they can go express themselves now. Again, the same stress, same tension which I saw in my first there was the same card here, right? Somebody's stressing out and having sleepless nights as to the confusion as to whether, is my person still available? Is my person still around? Will they talk to me again? What are they hiding? Do they have other options? Will they reject me? Will they breadcrumb me? Will they hold back from me? So all these thoughts are going on in their mind. They feel that their person has already made a decision to maybe move forward now in their own life, because hey, somebody as attractive as that, as special as that, the Queen of Wands, will have lots of options. So maybe they've already made a decision that they don't want me anymore. Maybe they hold back from me and they'll breadcrumb me now. Maybe they have other suitors now. So all these thoughts are kind of revolving in their mind. Heart of Hearts, they do want to return though. Eight of Cups in reverse. Yes, they now want to come back and, show a different avatar of themselves, to say, hey, I'm not that person who was immature. I'm actually very, very grounded. I'm a solid person. I am ready to take responsibility. They desperately want to come back and show this side of them now. Okay, but somewhere they know that they are the ones who've caused this connection to end. They are the cause of this Tower being in reverse. So Tower in reverse, Spirit. Tower in reverse. Yes, they feel that person is who was very loving and nurturing and kind. who they are very attracted to even now, will probably refuse them and not want to have a reconciliation with them. They feel this Queen of Cups has a lid on that cup of theirs and will say, no, I am not interested anymore. They fear that this choice will not be made for them. What's this Death card, Spirit? What's this Death card? Is it over, or what's this Death card? They don't want this connection to end, that's for sure. But they're still not coming correct. They know this is a very special connection, somebody that, you know, is a soulmate. They want to come out of this stuck place. They don't want this connection to end, but they're still coming, you know, across as a little bit of a trickster, and only because they somewhere have convinced themselves that this chapter is over, they're not going to be given a second chance. This is almost like convincing yourself that even if I go back, I won't be accepted. So making a foolish choice as to maybe still returning back as a trickster, maybe still going back in the same way that they maybe first did, just to see if my person is still attracted to me or is still interested in me. Heart of hearts actually wanting the Two of Cups, but again making a very foolish decision, making a really foolish decision to act out again as a magician in reverse. So the whole agenda here is, because they don't want this chapter to end, they don't want this connection to end, they actually want to transform this connection, but fearing it's already over. There's a lack of faith here, I would say. So what's this Three of Pentacles, Spirit, which was the overall energy? They feel certain things have come out in the open now, and my person is, they feel their person is now concentrating on themselves. They are single, they're beautiful, they have withdrawn their energy, and you know, they probably will not, maybe they feel their person feels that the secret is out, that maybe they were not interested, or they had third parties or something, something that they're worried about, something that their person is happier being alone than would then rather be coming back to them. Okay, so even if they do return, they will return back in the same way, because they don't have faith. They don't have faith that they can bring this connection back into balance. So yeah, what's with you fire signs? Aries had a similar reading as well. So that's all I have for you for today. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. See you on Monday now. Namaste.